Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Salmon Roe Caviar. First, ensure you have fresh salmon roe sacs. Carefully remove the eggs from their surrounding membrane. This step requires a gentle touch to keep the eggs intact. After separation, rinse the eggs under cold water to clean them. This prepares them for the next crucial stage of the process. Next, we'll prepare the brine. Combine water and a good quality salt to create your solution. Aim for a salt concentration of around 3–5% for optimal flavor and preservation. Submerge the cleaned salmon roe into this brine. Let it soak for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your desired saltiness. After brining, it's time to drain the roe. Use a fine mesh sieve to remove all excess liquid. Be very gentle to avoid damaging the delicate eggs. Then, carefully pat the roe dry with clean paper towels. Finally, spread the eggs thinly on a tray and let them air dry for a brief period. This helps achieve the perfect texture. Your homemade salmon roe caviar is almost ready. Transfer the finished product into a clean, airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh for up to 5 days. When you're ready to enjoy, serve it chilled. It's absolutely delicious on blinis, toast points, or as a garnish for various dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.